Okay, so this is a 2023 Toyota Corolla, and if you want to DIY your oil change, so you have to safely jack up the vehicle. I'm using a lift right now and remove this cover to access the drain bolt and filter. So it's 4 10mm bolts. I said bolt before, but it's basically a screw. So 4 screw. So once you remove the screw and you take the plastic cover off, you're going to use a 14mm socket or wrench to remove this drain plug. And then this is the oil filter. So use a filter wrench to remove it. Let me show you what that looks like. So these are 2 filter wrench. So you can use either one to just grip the filter and just remove it and let the oil drain, replace the filter, replace the drain plug, replace the cover, and then put 4.8 quarts of oil and you're good to go.